Hello everyone. If you want to increase the downloading speed in Google Chrome, and if your Google Chrome is running very slow, we are going to do some very easy steps on Google Chrome itself, and the performance, the speed, the downloading speed of the Google Chrome will be way better than earlier. So let's go ahead and do that. So here, open your Google Chrome browser, and here type Chrome colon // flags. I'll just maximize it so that you can type it. Once you are done, hit enter, and here in the search flags icon, here you need to type parallel downloading. Now the moment you type parallel space download, you will get enable parallel downloading to accelerate downloading speed, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and other Windows. So here, please make sure it is enabled, because enabling this parallel downloading will have more hops to download everything. So whenever you will be downloading, it will be almost double the speed. So once you are done, you can close this window and do a right click in the start icon and go to run. And here type ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed it, hit enter. Now here, if you're using your Ethernet, the wired connection, you can select that. Or if you're using your Wi-Fi, you can select that as well. So since I'm using my Wi-Fi, I'll just select Wi-Fi. I'll do a right click. I'll go to properties, and here under Internet Protocol version 4, go to properties, and here use the following DNS server addresses and type 1.1.1.1, and under alternative DNS server 1.0.0.1. So this will actually help you in response time. It will also lower the ping. Overall, the browsing accessing speed will be also enhanced with this step. Once this is done, you can close this window, and there is one more step which you need to follow is click on the search icon and type CMD and run as administrator and click on yes. So we need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS, as the name suggests. It's going to flush the old DNSs. Now hit enter, and it will say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you just need to restart the computer and then try to check the downloading speed. Now restart is a must, and once you are done, then try to access your websites and let me know the performance in your Google Chrome. There is one more thing which you can do here under more tools. Go to extensions. Please make sure you do not have any unwanted, unnecessary extensions. If you have it, you can remove it. And then see the performance. And please let me know in the comment section. Your comments really motivates me to create more helpful videos. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. Yes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Good day.